Strong growth and consistency. Enterprise Bank has put down deep roots as an entrepreneurial, independent, commercial and community bank. Our strength is rooted in our core values and principles: integrity, community, excellence, teamwork, professionalism. These core values have been the foundation of our growth and success and will continue to guide us into the future. 2015 was another strong year for Enterprise Bank with continued growth and success.
We have always believed that we are in the people business first and the banking business second. And our terrific year in 2015 was, above all else, attributable to a very talented and devoted team. We always have operated with high standards of excellence, pride, and teamwork. And we operate with a mindset, with a DNA, where our Enterprise Bank team members truly care with a deep sense of purpose for our shareholders, our customers, and our communities. These elements of our culture, coupled with a consistent orientation and focus on the long term and consistent, steady, very measured geographic expansion, was the reason for our growth and success in 2015 and for our growth and success over the last 27 years.
Our strength comes from our deep sense of purpose and solid operating principles. Our corporate governance committee ensures our long-term success, stability, and integrity.
One of the critical pillars of strength of Enterprise Bank is corporate governance. And it's corporate governance that allows the employees to conduct themselves in a manner which is consistent with the laws of the state, the laws of the country, and to handle people appropriately and fairly in all matters. And I think the shareholders can take great comfort in the fact that there's tremendous transparency in all transactions here and in how we will conduct ourselves. And corporate governance and the rulings of that committee here at the bank are what sets the tone for the way folks will conduct themselves here at Enterprise Bank.
The true value of our growth is reflected in what it means for our customers and communities.
The great thing about this bank is it doesn't measure its success just by its P&L or the bottom line, though they've done very well and the bank is very successful. But for this bank, they're also committed to seeing businesses develop to become successful. They're also interested in looking at the community. They invest in the education all around us. They invest in people. So I think for this bank, it's always been part of its core mission to make sure that the people that they serve are successful and realize their dreams. That's the great thing about Enterprise Bank.
Our lending expertise helps businesses large and small to grow and prosper and serves as an economic engine that helps fuel the regional economy. Our commercial lending, business development, and branch teams contributed to the bank's success this past year in many ways.
2015 was an exceptionally strong year for loan growth. Our commercial loans increased by $165 million. Overall loan growth was $187 million. That's the largest growth we've had annually since the inception of the bank. Since the bank was founded 27 years ago, we've made over $5 billion worth of loans in the communities and markets we serve. The lenders, in developing their relationships with their customers, are not only looking at the financial solutions, but also looking for other business lines that can help enhance our customers' experience. So the lenders will cross-sell into areas like deposit services, cash management, certainly investment advisory products, as well as insurance. We can also help them with their consumer needs, whether it's residential mortgages or consumer loans. And this is very important because the bank is looked at more as a financial services as opposed to just a lending institution.
Okay, so you already have the application, you already got it signed. And
We keep that Main Street bank mentality alive because we like to treat our customers as individuals. We don't treat them as numbers. One of the things that we drive upon is on the fact that we are not only considered trusted advisor, but we're also helping educate our customers when it comes to the commercial aspect of things. We help many small businesses, business owners, realize their wonderful American dream.
Every day, more and more Southern New Hampshire businesses, nonprofit organizations, and residents are turning to Enterprise as their bank of choice.
Southern New Hampshire is a market of great potential. Enterprise Bank is uniquely positioned to take advantage of the market opportunities. Community banks have consolidated, larger banks have become more distant to their small and mid-sized customers. As we continue to expand our footprint in Southern New Hampshire, continue to build upon the outstanding team of banking professionals, we are perfectly poised to take advantage of the great opportunity in Southern New Hampshire.
We began 27 years ago with a single branch in downtown Lowell. Today, Enterprise has 22 full-service branch offices in Massachusetts and Southern New Hampshire. Branch expansion is all about servicing the customer, whether adding a new location, expanding a current location, or relocating to better meet customer needs.
Currently, we have two very exciting projects going along. One is 101A in Nashua, New Hampshire, which is being built as we speak and will be opened in June of 2016. And we recently entered into a lease for a location on Indian Rock Road in Windham, New Hampshire, and we're targeting early 2017 for an opening there. We also have two relocations. So with our existing branches, we're constantly revisiting those and looking to see, do they fit the needs today? Do they fit the teams? Do they fit the customer needs? And in the case of Salem, New Hampshire and Leominster, Mass, in both situations, we're upgrading to much more visible buildings, double-lane drive-ups, the latest technology, increasing both the quality and the quantity of the space to house the teams. And it really shows the commitment to those markets and an indication of the success.
Home ownership is central to growing strong communities. In 2015, the federal government instituted sweeping changes regarding residential mortgages. The 2,000-page TRID rule mandates new paperwork, processes, and disclosure rules for lenders. Always proactive, Enterprise Bank was out in front, helping to ease the transition.
We understand how complex and daunting the loan process can be for individuals, attorneys, and realtors. The TRID rules had a tremendous impact on our industry, and we wanted to help simplify the process. During the months prior to the implementation of the regulations, we held several training sessions for realtors and attorneys within our branch network. We are passionate about home ownership. We really believe it is the backbone of the neighborhoods and the communities we serve.
Advancements in technology have revolutionized the way customers do their banking. At Enterprise, we continually invest in technology to enhance convenience, security, and efficiency for our customers.
When it comes to making banking more convenient for customers, two areas that are getting a lot of attention today are mobile banking and payments. Mobile banking is quickly becoming the preferred means of banking for customers electronically. There's probably no area in banking that is receiving more attention and more innovation than in the payment space. The options for customers to make payments continues to increase every day. Recently, we've invested in technologies to improve our processes for consumer loans, mortgage loans, commercial loans. This not only makes it quicker and easier for the customer, but also provides some internal efficiencies, allowing us to process these loans quicker and also meet increasing regulatory requirements.
All right, so we want to call the third party, let them know about the issue.
As consumers and businesses rely more on computers and mobile devices to bank online, Our risk management team works diligently to serve and protect our customers and their data.
Cybersecurity is one of the most complex and growing issues that we're working on right now. Our goal overall is to protect our customers. At the end of the day, that's the most important part. So we take our role in that very seriously. We do that through a combination of controls. We do this through technology systems, physical security. We also have policies and procedures, but most importantly, we have our employees. And we use these layers of security to help prevent, detect, and respond to potential threats to our customers. I consider it really a responsibility for us to help our customers because it really is a joint partnership to make sure that happens.
At Enterprise Bank, we care deeply and take great pride in our employees.
Our Enterprise Bank employees describe our culture as a family, where each individual feels valued and appreciated. As we've grown over the years, we've worked hard to hire and attract talented individuals who are caring, thoughtful, intelligent, passionate about providing an excellent customer experience, and whose personal values are in synergy with the bank's values. We are also deeply committed to employee development, coaching, mentoring, and promoting and advancing employees from within our enterprise.
Hi, Prima, how are you?
Hey, what do we have?
A couple of reports.
As an Enterprise Bank employee, I feel very valued. My bank invests in me, whether it's providing me training to help enhance my professional development or personal development, for me to be able to excel in what I do, to help my customers, whether it's internal or external customers, to do my best, to respect my fellow employees and my customers and be there for them when they need me.
In 2015, Enterprise Bank was recognized by the Boston Business Journal as #2 among Massachusetts companies for hours spent by employees in community service. Our team members served on more than 550 nonprofit and charitable boards, averaging nearly 56 volunteer hours per employee.
I think it's really important that Enterprise Bank allows and inspires us to take the time off to volunteer and to help others. This is really important because it's a way for us to give back. It makes us happy when we contribute and help others, and in turn, it helps us to grow personally and professionally.
As we look to the future, we remain focused on strong, consistent organic growth, and we continue to invest in our technology, product capabilities, communities, and most importantly, our enterprise team.
I would like to thank my fellow Enterprise Bank teammates. I have never seen a collection of individuals as hardworking, as enthusiastic, as dedicated, and as committed as the Enterprise team. The tremendous culture that George and Dick instilled in Enterprise Bank 27 years ago, a culture that we both preserve and look to always continuously build upon, is the reason we have been so successful for so long.